We're going to do a brief video on BA, Boeing Stock Analysis Today with technical analysis. We're going to take a look at a daily chart here of Boeing. It's got a 5-day moving average in green, 20-day moving average in red, a 200-day moving average in blue. Boeing is up today $7.50, 5% at $150.61, and about 15 million shares trading, 6.8 million is the average daily volume for this stock, and it's at almost 3 o'clock. So Boeing's up significantly today on pretty good volume. Again, up almost 5%. Let's take a look real quick at this chart. This is a daily chart. I'm going to show you an hourly chart, a weekly chart, and I'm going to show you some algorithmically generated entry prices that RBM Research puts out. We can take a look at this chart. We can see Boeing's been struggling in the early part of the year with going into a bear market and flirting with a 200-day moving average. It finally broke down here really hard and put in a bottom at around June 14th of this summer, rallied almost all the way up to the 200-day moving average and back down again, caught some really good support. This is very important because it caught a higher bottom here at this about this 121 level, and that set it up for a rally where it's now attacking the 200-day moving average again. If we go over here and take a look at the hourly chart, we can see that it's moved above the 200-hour moving average. It's not unusual for stocks to oscillate around their 200-hour moving average, and Boeing may just be doing that. You can see it's flirted with it all the way through here. This is all the way back to the beginning of the year. But in reality, this is important for this particular time because as we approach the 200-day moving average, we've got to make sure we stay positive on a 200-hour moving average. This is where everything first gets started, right in the hourly moving average, and we're definitely moving above it. You can see it's strong as putting in higher bottoms and making higher tops. Let's go back real quick to the weekly chart and see what's going on with that. You can see Boeing has been in the disastrous bear market for a long time, going all the way back here to February 20. But tremendous rally in a bear market, tremendous secondary decline, and now we're making a rally. However, if we look at this chart, it is enormously negative chart for Boeing, but we can't look at $240 when we're down here at 150 and worry about it. We have to take a look and say what's going on. And the reality of it is, if we stop right here at $173 and go down here to 100 and whatever that is, $13, 113 to 173, that's our range for Boeing right now. That's where we have to keep our mind, and there's a ton of money to be made and lost in there. So you want to take a look and see what is Boeing doing on this weekly chart that might make it a buy from right now 150 up to 173. The reality is Boeing's 5-day moving average is still below is below the price, and the 20-week moving average is below the price, but this 5-week moving average should be above the 20-day, and that hasn't happened yet, and that's not a good sign. That means this rally is weak and there's not a whole lot behind it, but you know, it's still early yet, and a weekly chart moves very slowly. So my analysis of this situation for entertainment purposes only is you could get $165 out of Boeing. In my opinion, for entertainment purposes only, you probably get $165 out of there. But to get more than $165, we're going to have to get a lot more energy than I see in this weekly chart. Let's go back to the daily real quick. Again, this is a daily chart, not a lot of energy, but it is moving up. And so when you put in a move today, our daily range today is 141 to 153 and up $7. So that's pretty good, up 5%. So the energy is building in it, but it's getting a little bit too far too fast. And you can see that it has not had this energy in the past month all through October. So all of a sudden we're getting a lot of movement here. That's not really indicative of what you like to see. You'd much rather see something more steady like this. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not real positive about it. I'm not negative about it. But in general, the reality is this stock has to move up and close above the 200-day moving average, which it has not done really since all the way back here in November of 2021. If it can get above the 200-day moving average and close above it, then that's going to be really positive for this stock. So we just have to wait and see what happens. I think in the near term, the stock looks a little overbought to me, and it wouldn't surprise me at all if we fell back down into the high 140s. 145-ish, 146-ish. That wouldn't surprise me at all if that happened in the next day or two. So let's take a look at Boeing from RBM Research. We put in Boeing's symbol, which is BA, and we come up with 1, 5, and 20 trading day holding periods, algorithmically generated. $141.24 is our low, and we did not hit that. The range went to 141.54, but the other two prices did get hit. So for hypothetical trading purposes only, these have shown an enormous profit today, the 5 and the 20. So the way the system works, you get in assuming your own analysis is a good idea, and you get out as soon as you get a profit. So you'd be in these and out of these today. That's the way this works. All for entertainment purposes only, all hypothetical, and of course you have to use your own analysis. You can't use our information for anything other than entertainment, including our commentary and the entry prices. But that's what we got for you today with Boeing. You can get access to all this yourself every morning before 7 a.m. Everything's updated at rmanresearch.com. Free access, no credit card required. Link in the description below. Just follow it over there, put in your email address, and get instant access for 190 stocks. The major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. We put out algorithmically generated entry prices for all of those, and everything but the stocks have some longs and some shorts, longs or shorts every day, Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. They're all updated. If you like these videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Remember that everything's for entertainment purposes only, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you have a great comment, please leave it for us in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you.